Hey, football fans, I see you. You're gearing up for Sunday's 107th Grey Cup game in Calgary. So the Bombers and the Ticats, they're going to be battling it out on the field. We, in the meantime, have got a Grey Cup spread that'll have your friends and your family battling it out themselves.
Absolutely. Here with his favorite dishes fit for the big game is Chef Matt Dean Pettit. Welcome back to the kitchen, my friend.
Thank you.
Welcome back.
Good to see you. What's happening? Thank you.
All right.
Okay, so we're going to battle it out in the kitchen because you want comfort foods that are easy, and you also want something that's going to be, well, yeah, easy. So what are we
easy and fun. So let's make your guests have, do majority of the work, right? So it leaves time for a cold drink and have some fun. So this is do-it-yourself nachos. So this is cowboy nachos. The game is in Calgary, so let's make it cowboy. So there's two different sides here. I've got a meat lover side.
Okay.
I have a veggie side.
Veggie side.
You guys notice?
You mean you've got a happy side and sad side?
I've got a Ben side. I've got a Ben side and a Mel side. So I want you guys to make your own. Let's go. Let's get in here.
So how do we start?
So I'm also noticing.
And
But by the way, can I say I'm noticing here that there are. There's not just nacho chips.
You're not
You
working
like
enough.
the color of? I know, Ben. Let's start moving in the kitchen, bud.
Yeah.
So you do good observation. So Ben, those are ketchup chips. Why did we put them in?
Because they're awesome and Canadian.
So because they're awesome and Canadian. So yes, and they add a little bit of sweetness in there too. So you've got tortillas, you've got the blue, you've got the corn. I love this, Mel.
Oh my God.
She's going processed cheese, chickpeas. We've got jalapenos. You have chili. You have bacon, double smoked bacon.
Beans.
You're going the black beans. You've
love
got
black
chili
beans.
going on here. This is getting messy. Let's get you a
Love
napkin.
you. Here it
This
is.
is what
And what's this? Is this hot sauce?
It is hot sauce, and this is something the kids can
I'm
do
going to
too,
do just a little
right?
hot sauce.
Just a little or a lot?
I don't even. You know what? My wife told me I need to experiment with heat.
You know what? A dab will do it. Getting spicy.
There
We're getting
we go.
spicy in the kitchen.
So many places.
I was just going to say, this could go.
Oh,
So
what's
what
this
I'm
here?
going to
What's
do,
this?
that's chili.
Oh, yeah.
So, okay, here we go. The last 2 seconds. I'm going to be the judge and see. This looks amazing. This looks like a hamburger sort of one.
Yeah, sure.
This looks like legit. Now, let me put this up in the oven, and I'll be right
With
back.
the magic of TV.
With magic of TV.
In the meantime, hold
that
up.
goes in.
Ketchup
and I
chips,
want,
right?
Here we go. Nice and piping hot. Let's do this.
Go.
Can we pipe this in? Bum, bum, bum.
Oh, yes.
So you guys have done an amazing job. Let's
Well, thank you very much. We really did.
No, you're there. So here's the
Yeah.
bacon side. There's yours. Let's have a little bite.
This is the best day ever,
Right?
guys. I love being here.
How we doing? Anybody need a little napkin? Good. So can I be the judge? I think it's a tie. So far, going into halftime, you guys are tied. Okay?
Okay.
I'll be the final judge on the end here. You've got one more dish to battle it out.
Okay.
I know we're eating.
What is this?
Please. So
Pump it
now,
out.
our mouth is full. It's a good Grey Cup party.
Right in here.
So we have a pull-apart bread. So with that being said, you see pineapple, you see tomato sauce, and pepperoni. Where do you guys stand on pineapple on
Okay,
pizza?
this is going to divide the nation, and we need to come together, people.
Should I come in
okay?
between you guys to like separate
Yeah.
you guys?
I'm
or-
not a fan. I'll eat it like this.
Okay.
That's the only way I want my pineapple.
Right.
That's it.
If we had done this segment a month ago,
Yeah.
I would have agreed with this woman.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've had a complete awakening
Wow, you're
on
coming
the pineapple
around.
pizza. It is the greatest thing
So it adds a little sweetness.
I've ever
Yeah,
had.
just like this.
Right? So
okay, how
Yeah.
do we do this?
So what you do is you've got a sourdough. You're going to
Sourdough
take
bread,
and you
okay.
want to cut it all the way almost through to the bottom.
Okay.
I have an olive oil, oregano, garlic puree. So as you can see, you're getting a little fancy.
And you
in here.
really, do you get it
You want to get
inside
right
the
in the
cracks
groove.
as well?
So
Okay.
I've got already in there. I want you guys, if you can sort of jam in there.
Like literally shove it in?
Exactly.
Okay.
So Ben, you've got
Like
the pepperoni
this?
going
Okay.
in. Jam it in. This is something
Okay,
so
so
guys,
jam-
when you're
jam
watching at
the
home, this is
cheese.
where the kids can have
Can I
fun.
go sideways?
Get right in.
Good
This
call,
is
good call.
teamwork. And they told me this was going to be a battle to the death.
Oh my God, this feels so wrong.
Hashtag teamwork here, guys.
There we go.
So as you can see, as you're doing this, stuffing, go
Yep.
crazy. Let's get a little
All right,
more
let's
going
get-
on.
oh, wow, there
Come
we go,
on.
get in there.
Oh my God.
Listen, look beside you.
This is wrong.
Thank you. I want your kids to do this. This Sunday, this is what's happening for the big game. So if we flip over, guys.
Yes, here we go.
wipe
Let's
your
go to the
hands.
after. Let's go to the
jump
after.
over here. Da-da-da-da. So you've got the
Oh,
pull-apart
yes.
bread. So get in there, get that cheese. Here's some marinara dip. Let's have some fun. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Big handful. I love it.
That's good.
Right?
That's really
So
good.
I would say you're also, I would have to call a tie on this too because you both worked as a great
Well,
team.
yeah.
Napkins.
Dude, that's a great
Napkin
idea.
City.
I'm going to stay with the pizza. You get in the middle because
Okay.
this is just for Ben.
So this is just for Ben. So it is, the game's in Alberta. This is the Alberta prime rib beef dip. Fun to say. So if I may, sir, please take one of these. I'll give you another napkin. This is Alberta prime. We've just sliced it thin. You have Dijon mustard.
Yeah.
You've got a beef jus in here, which is beef stock, caraway seed, and Montreal steak spice. You have a,
am I
he's a
just
lovely
dip-
jacket.
I'm just dipping and eating?
Dip, brother. He has a lovely jacket, so I do not want to get this.
Oh, this is gonna be
in between
really
the
good.
uprights.
Dip and eat. There we go.
Wow, in between the uprights. Get your cameras out, folks.
Wow. Yes, that is a
We got this.
touchdown, my friend.
Touchdown. Touchdown, Jesus.
Very well.
Thank
Very
you,
well done.
guys.
Matt's going to be, Ben's going to be eating, Matt.
Yeah, you take this.
No, take this. Thank
Taking it
you.
home. Thank you.
On behalf of both of us, thank you. We're going to put all of these recipes up on our website. That is yourmorning.ca. And also, do not forget TSN's live coverage. It begins tomorrow noon. That's Grey Cup Saturday. It continues on Sunday with 5 hours of coverage leading up to the big game at 6 p.m. Eastern. Matt, thank you for
I love
breakfast.
it. Yes.
Yes, go Grey Cup.
Go
And
Grey
we'll be
Cup.
right back right after this.
See you.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.